Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to streamline your booking process? Discover how to set up scheduling on Squarespace, making it easy for clients to book appointments directly throughout your website. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, head up to your website and basically just select it. Once you open your site, you will have this area which you will have there like the templates and everything about it. Now, after you open your site for the first time, you will be able to click right here on this edit button, which will allow you to go to the page builder where you can edit literally everything on the template. Here, click on add section right between two different sections and choose it to be basically scheduling. So I'm going to show you both add a blank section and scheduling. Let's go with this one. And here you can make yourself a book an appointment page, which is already made for you here by templates. So let's go and choose this one. And as you can see, there it is. Now for the schedule itself, you can edit it by clicking right here on this edit button, and this will open the content. You can add and set up the content right through this button. After you opened it, you will be able to go to this page which has all the config about the scheduling, create the timings, to create everything that you need. So let's go and look at it. Here, as you can see, we are going to set up our schedule page. There are three things that you are going to go through, so let's go through them right now. First of all, set up your scheduling page. Complete this task to start accepting appointments. There's three tasks that we have to go through. First of all, an appointment type. What is the type of our appointments? If you were doing a one-to-one appointment, choose the personal one. In case you were doing a group appointment, then choose the class 1. The one-to-one appointment is usually for doctors, dentists, and stuff that are private or life coach, stuff that are basically secrets. So you have to go between the patients or you and basically give between two persons. Or some high quality like VIP gym session, then you can do this as well, or whatever you think. And class is basically, for example, like you could coach like a group of people, you could cook a meal for a group of people. There's a lot of things that you can do. I'm gonna choose personal and I'm gonna call the name dentist consultation. Here the duration, let's say 1 hour or 60 minutes since they are in minute, and the price, let's say around 120, and create appointment type. So just like that, we have created our appointment type. Now we have to set our availability. Of course, we have a job. We do not sleep and wake in our job. We sleep at night, there is days off, there is work of hours work. There's like a lot of details that we have to work on. So we are not going to put it random that the customer is gonna come to our like call us in the middle of the night to tell us, where are you? I have an appointment with you. So we don't want that to happen. So let's select our availability and choose our time. Of course, it's your days off here, so don't set them on, turn them off. And basically for the rest of the days that you work on, make sure to simply check these hours. For example, when you open, when you close, so the starting hours and the closing hours has to be right in here in details. And do not miss anything. You can add a row, so you can, like, for example, if you work from 9 a.m. till, for example, let's say 12 p.m. and then from 15 till like 3 p.m. to like 7 p.m. you can, like, not 7 p.m. but p.m. So if you do work like that, for example, you take like 3 hours off and then you come back to work, you can do this as well. And you can keep doing it, like adding rows until like you finish. And the same thing goes for the rest of the days. Once you feel like it's done, simply click on save if you want to go through the additional settings, which will give you more settings to the calendar, more detailed, more stuff to work on, then of course you could go through it. As you can see here, this is consultation, this is for the dentist thing. Here's its hours of availability. For example, for Monday you could choose here we have like, this is like this Monday, like for month September, for example, this Monday I'm gonna work from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. but the next Monday I'm not gonna work at all, so set it like 0 or 6 hours, so it is off, closed. So this is something that you can do in details. So for example, if you knew that the next week you're gonna take days off, then you can just separate, put it as closed, put days that you are working as open, just like that. Once you feel like you're done, simply add it to the calendar. Let me just go back for now. So once you finish with that, simply click on here to design your scheduling page. So right after I clicked, there is two ways or two templates. There is the of the appearance. So there is the monthly appearance and the daily appearance. The monthly is best for clients booking more than a week in advance, and the daily is basically for people who can like, for example, they want to meet you tomorrow and they are gonna be booking like tomorrow morning, for example. This is very important for doctors. For example, something urgent, so they need to make it daily, but for other things, I don't know what's other things, but yeah, you could make it monthly or basically whatever you want. Exactly. Here give it the business name, here give the business industry, and here the logo. Give scheduling instructions, write instructions here to show the clients before they book their appointment. For example, you cannot cancel the appointment. If you do not come to the appointment, your money will not be refunded, stuff like that, like the policy. Here week starts on, for example, Monday. Time format AM PM, language English, source, this is the fonts, and basically that's pretty much it. Click on save changes, and now they will give you the link so you can view the client scheduling page. Let me just open it. And here it is. So here it is, our consultation which we have created. So dentist consultation, if I want to book it, click like here, click here. For example, I want to book it tomorrow, Tuesday. I'm going to click on continue. Here put your name, your last name, the phone number and email, and complete the appointment. Once everything is basically done, you will go to the confirmation where you will confirm some like stuff in there. So this is for your client page, so you don't really have to go through it yourself, but of course just do a test booking for yourself just to manage to understand it exactly how it works and what will happen if someone booked, so you can check the email if you will get notified or not, so you can basically check every single problem in case there was any issue. And that was pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If there is anything you want us to talk about in the future videos, make sure to mention that in the comment section down below, and see you guys in the next tutorial.